Good evening, everyone. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and tonight I'm going to show you how to download and install Java 11. Why do you need Java 11? The reason why you need Java 11 is you're going to install a computer program called Exist. Exist is a database program that runs xQuery. Without xQuery, it will not be possible to do the animations you really need to do with SVG, which is Scalable Vector Graphics. I introduced Scalable Vector Graphics inside of my HTML lessons as I presented them years ago. A lot of you people didn't get that far. I'm sorry you didn't, but you didn't. Anyway, in order for you guys, I don't know why it's... Let's see. Can you see a little better now? I think you can. Okay. Well, anyway, when I did those HTML lessons, I introduced to you Scalable Vector Graphics, and I got a lot to introduce you guys to in the not-so-distant future, so bear with me on that. But you can do SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics, without using the Exist database. But if you want to do those SVG animations the way I want you to do those SVG animations, which is a little different than what everybody else wants you to do them, then you will need the Exist database program. And in order to run it, you have to have Java 11. Now, a long time ago, Oracle fell out with Microsoft. I hate to tell you guys something, but Oracle won that little battle, and so therefore Microsoft has now a partnership with Oracle, and they can now run Java 11. Now, if you're talking to the people that Exist, they will highly recommend you go on to Linux, and I'm forced to contend with that. I think that that's a very good choice. However, if you don't have a Linux computer, you can still run this stuff on Windows 11. Okay, because Microsoft has made a partnership with Oracle. They've gotten it much more secure, and it's a lot better than what it was. Okay, the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the official Oracle website, and you're going to have to sign up for an account with them. Okay, and they may ask you what your job title is. If they ask you what your job title is, just put down student. If they ask you for a company name or something like that, just make up some company name and just put down your address, okay? Just because it's not going to make that big of a deal. Just put down your address, and they will verify your email. As soon as they do, then you can start downloading. If you want to, you can save your password through DuckDuckGo, and they'll save it for you, okay? But anyway, I am then going to give you the web address of the place you need to go to download Java 11. Why can't you just download the latest version of Java? That's because Exist, at the moment of this recording, this is December 2023, has yet to be able to work with Java 21. I don't know why. They'll probably fix that in the not-so-distant future, but right now they can't do that. So we're going to download Java 11. As you can see, there's going to be a whole list of downloads for you. Okay, one of them says Windows x64 installer. This is a Windows computer. Okay, and this Windows computer is a 64-bit Windows computer. It's not 32-bit. It's a 64. You may be running Linux at 32 bits, but Windows 11 only runs on Windows 64. Okay. So, you're going to go to Windows 64 EXE, you're going to click this, and you accept the terms of service. You'll see a little folder right there. You're going to click that folder, and then you're going to click this. You click the yes. And then this thing's going to ask you a bunch of questions. And whatever folder it decides to install this thing in, just go with it. Do whatever it tells you. Okay. Last statement in here. Okay. If you wanted to do extra stuff with this thing, you could, but you don't have to. Now, you're going to click close like this. Get that out of there. Get out of that. Shrink that down. Shrink that down. Shrink that down. Nice, huh? Now, I'm going to show you a little trick here. If you hold down the Windows key on your Microsoft Windows keyboard, remember I got the split key, and you hold and you type the letter X, you're going to see a list right here. Type the letter I, and here's your terminal. Now watch this. We're going to type in JAVA dash VERSION, and you can see that we have Java 11 installed. And that's it. Now your Exist database should work. Okay, I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.